How does it feel to be 2 months old? Oh, really? It's hard work, isn't it? Oh, it is. Yeah. Oh. What else? What else? Oh. Tell me more. Tell me more, big boy. Oh. Oh. Okay. Can you smile? There you go. Oh. Oh. Man, you got a lot to say. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, big yawn.